So today we're taking a look at Legal Giant. We ran an audit for them the other day, so I will be going through that. The website's still under construction, but the client wanted me to take a look at their site, and it's for inbound leads with legal type stuff. So let's see, like bankruptcy, DUI, and stuff like that, divorce. I ran this audit a few days ago, so I don't remember everything on top of my head, but we'll be going through what I found. So, um, yeah, site was new, so that's there. Um, First thing, I don't know if it's 100% done or not, but down here, the review names, I mean, Pat Benatar, Gary Moore, Sid Barrett, obviously, classic rock. So, anyone that knows rock music knows these are fake. So, gotta change those up. Those are definitely not the images of them either. Um, Definitely a lot more wrinkles on them, and I'm pretty sure Gary Moore passed away. So, yeah, that needs to be fixed there. On the technical side of SEO, they're missing some sitemaps. There wasn't any sitemaps in the robots.txt file. I believe. Let me just double check real quick. Yeah, so no sitemap there. There's uncategorized pages. There is no custom titles or meta descriptions. No blog on the website, which they definitely need a blog to build out so they can get more leads. Having the pages alone isn't enough. You build out blog posts based around this and start interlinking. Gets more link juice, and then on top of it, you build more authority with your website, get some links sent to your site. So, yeah, need a blog to be created for all that to happen. There is still authors being indexed, same with post tags, so we need to no index those, and account pages as well. Fix that for the indexation. Down here, there's no really scheme on the website. There's no local scheme, which is good, assuming this is a national site. If they want to only get local leads, then we want to flip these, but I'm pretty sure this is a national site. Down here, the www doesn't redirect, so if you take a look at this, www site not configured, so we want to add a 301 redirect there. That's really bad for SEO, having two versions of the site. There's no HTML sitemap in the footer, missing an about page, FAQ page. I still have to wait to check out the categorized URL structure because these pages are still being built out, so gotta double check that. Same with the correct thank you pages, and if all the links are working or not. There's no breadcrumbs on the site from what I can tell. The homepage itself doesn't have an H1 tag, which check right here with Mozbar, not found. So that needs to be fixed as soon as possible. Back here. Okay. The contact page wasn't really personalized, no live chat or anything like that, or click to call. Speed wise, we're looking over 3 seconds, but that's because of the images. They weren't compressed. If you take a look at the GT metric scan right here, we're at 3.2 seconds, and you can see besides different parsing of JavaScript, service scaled images, and optimized images. So fixing that stuff will make it a lot quicker. No Facebook pixel on the site, so you can't retarget people. No social media at all, and stuff like that. So that needs to be fixed. All that. Other thing too, I actually missed it when I was talking about the classic rock. Was their contact page is contact too. That does not look good. We need to get rid of that contact, have it like that, and redirect the contact to it with a 301 redirect. So that's with the on-site. Off-site SEO, I mean, there's no really links built out to the site or is really sent out yet, so that's all clear. The only issue I really had with the site was there's no social media set up. So especially if you're getting those leads in, you want to get that set up. But yeah, and then Search Console Analytics and Bing Webmaster, you have to talk to client to make sure everything is there, and there's no need for Google My Business if it's not local. If it is, we want to set that up. But yeah, that's it for this audit. Pretty quick because the site's still under construction. Guys, make sure to check out the description below. I have a Facebook group, white label SEO services, audits, stuff like that, and discounts on different products if you guys need it. Anyways, that is it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.